I got a package today. It's right there. It's from Sweets Kendamas. And it's dope. Sweets. Today I am unboxing a Sweets Red Stain Kendama. Alright, so here's the Sweets Kendama, here's the stain. Dope. And a little baby keychain Kendama. Oh, it is so cute. Look at it. Look at it. It's like adorable. Boom. Boom. There it is. Utamus. Oh, bang. Sweet sticker. That is fantabulous. And extra strength. It's just absolutely amazing. So here you go. Hope you guys enjoy. Also, go get yourself a red stain kendama from Sweets Kendamas, because this is dope. Why? Why? Why, God?